Whew. Yo, what is up, YT family? It is your boy K Dot, or also known as Monkey B Poofy. Most people don't know that, but I just wanted to bring you guys this video today because, of course, everybody says within the new year they're gonna start making all these different changes and everything like that. Well, I'm not gonna wait for the new year. You know what? I'm gonna start today. Today is looks like December 28th, 2021. And within the next upcoming year, I also plan on doing a lot of things and being more proactive when it comes to this journey. You feel me? Because I mean, you're not gonna get anywhere by being lazy. So this is me at age 26 deciding to kick this into an overdrive. So I'm not even gonna be here long. That's gonna be the plan as well. Is to try to just kind of give you a little bit of value day by day and go on and really build up that consistency on my part. So today's video, I want to be showing you guys how to, let me actually click the screen record right there. So today's video, I actually want to be showing you guys little bits and pieces of everything that I'm going to be doing in my business, also to just, take me to the next level in the stratosphere. So I've joined a couple of Facebook groups in the past, and they always do pretty well. However, I've never really, I'm not even going to say that. I've created my own Facebook groups, but as far as being consistent and actually putting effort towards that to help it to grow, you can say your boy's been very lackadaisical. So today, the main goal of this video is just to at least get the Facebook group created. And this Facebook group will be the group for Monkey B Poofy. All right, so let's go ahead, hop into it. So what you see me doing now, I'm actually just gonna narrate everything because I'm doing two separate videos, one on my cellular device, and then I'm also screen recording on my computer there. So that's pretty neat. Also, like I said, I'm not gonna be too long. Hopefully, like 5 to 10 minutes, just because my shows is also on. So we're clicking create group. The name of the group obviously is gonna be the Monkey B Poofy. As you see right here, we got our boy Chopper. That's just a side note. We got some merch out there too. But anyway, so like I was saying, so Monkey B Poofy will be the group's name. Choose privacy. I don't want it to be private. I want as many people as humanly possible to be able to join this. So as far as inviting friends right now, we're not gonna do that. We'll do that in a later date. So boom, wow. All right. Not too hard, right? Looks like we have created our very first, we've created Monkey B Poofy's group here. All right, so next thing we need is a banner. So I have a page. There's nothing really on there right now, but to stick with that uniformity of the page, let's go ahead and go here to Google. Let's type in some One Piece. That's my favorite anime right there. So and what's interesting, One Piece, we'll do Luffy Bow. So what's very interesting is originally growing up, I was actually a Dragon Ball Z die-hard fanatic. Like, I was introduced to Dragon Ball at a very young age. Like I said, I'm 26, and then ever since then it was Dragon Ball Z. I didn't really watch Dragon Ball too much. But I still know the concept. That's not bad. Matter of fact, let's do One Piece Facebook banners. Facebook banner. That way, I don't have to. I know how to do certain things. That's the one we're gonna go with because that's on my Etsy store. So, like I said, I'm big on uniformity. You know what? Nah, I really like this one right here too. It's very unique. So I am going to save this. It's going to drop down, just save it as whatever. Drop down there. And now we're going to go over back to our Facebook group there. And choose from photos. Choose from my photos. Choose from illustrations. Upload a photo. That's what I want to do right there. One, because we just downloaded that photo. And then on top of that, I don't have anything on my actual page, so you won't really see any photos to be uploaded. Wow, that looks beautiful. Look at them. Look at little chop chop. Poking on top. Okay. So next thing we want to do is let's go ahead and create an about. I am about. Can we create an about? It just says about this group. Anyone can see this. All right, so we are at our 5-minute mark. So let's go ahead, finish up, and then we will create the remainder in the next video. But let's just go ahead and walk through real quick. All right, so it looks like continue setting up your group. 1 of 4 steps completed. I guess we can probably complete these steps before I bounce for this video. So it says customize your group and attract new members in a few steps. All right, so invite members. I'm just gonna invite one person. Bow. Let's see. Bow. All right. So those are invited. So we got about 4 to 5 people invited. I didn't really count that quickly. All right. So we are 2 out of 4 steps completed. So now we're going to add the description. Like I said, once again, I am pretty much a person that I just like to do things simple. So I went to, instead of adding a description, you know, custom typing it up and all of that, what I did, I went to one of my other captain of the woman's pet pirates. Oh, whoa, is that what it really say? What's going on? No, we don't want that. All right, so we gonna say captain of the Star Wars Straw Hat Pirates. Not no unless you know, combine that word there. Wow, we do it like that. Captain of the Straw Hat Pirates. Send me meat on the bone. So we can't do that because the emojis don't pop up. So we'll just say send me meat. Looking for crewmates, pirate flag. So exit that out, bow, and then we will back up. Went too far. So it was directly up under there. But of course, uniformity, we want to make that M capital. And that looks like that's what we have there. You know, just something real short and simple, not too, you know, in depth, to the point. Now we need to create our very first post. Because let's see if I can, let's see, I'm gonna slide this over just a smidge. And I want to, oh, nope, okay. Want to be able to save the video, save video. Boom. So it's saved in my MP4s. So that'll be my very first, you know, very first post. So let's do that. Create a post. Can I do that? Download MP4. Is that it? Does that work? Did it work? Oh, snap. All right. So you see it worked. So this is our very first post. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and go back to Monkey B. Poofy. So like I said, this is all centered around Monkey B. Poofy, which is the anime company that I do run. So what I'm going to do is, it says name that anime. That's the very first, this is going to be my very first post. Now, of course, what's it called? Jackie Chan Adventures is not an anime, but as a marketer, I like to, you know, kind of draw out emotion in some of my followers and just people who may stumble across. So it's created solely for the purpose of being a polarizing post. So let's say name that anime. Bow. 1, 2, 3, 4 question mark. And you see that. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to drop down and we're going to say, matter of fact, I could do that. I don't feel like it, to be honest with you. That seems like that would be a lot, but we're gonna do that just to be better. All right, so this is my YouTube channel, Monkey B. Poofy here. So what I was saying, oh my gosh, that was loud. So what I'm gonna do is this right here. I'm going to, if you guys like this video, hit the subscribe, bow. I mean, you can't really subscribe like that on Facebook. I guess you can follow, you know, something like that. You know what? Nah, we ain't gonna do that. At least not right now. You know, we'll say that for later. But what we will do is we will exit out that, come back over here. I'm going to mute this just so, you know, it's no copyrighted type issues. Let's see if we can highlight all of these. Copy. Wow. Okay, that is beautiful. All right, so now you see we have our very first post up. Boom, it's going. And that's pretty much how you create a Facebook group. So, oh, wait. Customize 3 out of 4 steps. All right, so that post, probably until the post goes through. I can't find my refresh. Oh, Control F. With the, nope, definitely not Control F. Oh, man. All right, so clearly that was not what I wanted to do. But what we're going to do, obviously open up Facebook real quick, go back to groups, bow. The heck was that? I don't even know. Now we're going to go back to your groups. We're going to do Monk, bow. Hold up. I know I'm cutting into my time here, but did y'all see that? Monkeys for adoption? Who's out here adopting monkeys like that? Anyways, going back to Monkey B. Poofy, bow. Wait, stop playing. All right, see, wow, beautiful. All praises. Look at that. So, just created it. We already got 2 members. That's a beautiful thing. Boom. We also got our very first post. So now let's go back to it. All right, cool. All of those steps are complete. Those 4 out of 4 steps are good. So, like I said, your Facebook video is now ready. I wonder if you can do reels in groups. I mean, it doesn't really matter because they'll be posts. But anyways, like I said, that is your boy Mark. We'll use the actual channel K.com signing out. Definitely check out your boy on my socials if you can. I know you can. I mean, it ain't really nothing just to boop, hit that little like button, boop, hit the subscribe button, boop, hit the follow button. Come on now, just share the videos. I mean, that's all you really gotta do. It's free. It's free, and I'm gonna be giving y'all a lot of game within 2022. So, anyways, this is Instagram, Monkey B. Poofy, bow. This is Twitter, Monkey B. Poofy, bow. I'm not as active on there, but I will. This is my actual personal YouTube. That's what it's called. My personal YouTube, K.com. Once again, going back to, let's go back to little fat guy. All right, this is my personal, this is the company's YouTube, Monkey B. Poofy. If you want to follow me on TikTok, I'm be honest with you, I'm a little more controversial than other people when it comes to my viewpoints and just different things. So this is the TikTok right here, K.com. The Poofy community, which I'm gonna make a video addressing what the Poofy community is very soon. And then the last one, last but not least, as you see, we got Monkey B. Poofy here. So follow all of those, everybody. You know, it helps out a lot. Oh, Facebook. We just created this. How you forget about Facebook? Duh. Anyways, so that's what I just wanted to bring to you all. Like I said, today is the 12th. 2021. I said that's so weird. Anyways, I'll catch y'all tomorrow, and it might be roughly around the same topic, you know, just showing y'all how to do different things within my daily life. Also, whatever I learn, I'm gonna start bringing to y'all, you know, whether there's how to make money, whether there's e-commerce, whether there's Amazon, whether there's real estate, wholesaling, crypto, forex, the whole 9. I literally am interested in just about it all. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be. That's what this channel now going forth is dedicated to, is helping you all while as well helping me, you know, to elevate pretty much. So this is Poofy signing off. Catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.